My name is Helena Rodriguez. I am a sophomore at SUNY Oneonta, and I'm working with the Empire State Service Corps. We're packing food bags today. These food bags go to human ecology at the daycare in human ecology within SUNY Oneonta, and then they also go to the high school. It's awesome. I enjoy it, and I'm happy that I'm involved. When I knew I could make really nutritious meals for these families, something that could really nourish their bodies, that was really rewarding. And dropping it off for the first time is also a lot of fun. I could get any other job on campus. I mean, the library's open, Hunt Union's open to work at, but I do this job because I genuinely enjoy it. It's been a lot of fun. You meet a lot of different people, and it's always nice to hear what other people are doing within their concentration. You can give back while still being a college student. I mean, we all struggle as college students, but it's really nice to just give some of your energy towards another person without worrying about you 100% of the time.